Here's the week's top 5 box office hits in the U.S.
At number 5 this week is the sequel to last year's comedy horror film, A Haunted House 2. Malcolm, who after exorcising the demons of his ex, is starting fresh with his new girlfriend and her 2 children. After moving into their dream home, Malcolm is once again plagued by bizarre paranormal events. Starring Marlon Wayans and Jamie Presley. Number 4, Transcendence. In this suspense thriller starring Johnny Depp and Morgan Freeman, a scientific genius's pursuit of knowledge evolves into an omnipresent thirst for power. Number 3 this week, Heaven is for Real. In the spiritual drama, a little boy says that he visited heaven during a near-death experience and deals with his family's and town's struggle to believe him. Stars Greg Kinnear, Kelly Riley, and newcomer Connor Quorum. Number 2, Rio 2. In this animated film starring voiceover work by Jesse Eisenberg and Anne Hathaway, our favorite macaw sets off in a high adventure set deep in the Amazon. And the number 1 movie again this week, Captain America: The Winter Soldier. In this latest adventure, Steve Rogers, Captain America, awakens after a long period of suspended animation to deal with a new menace, a Soviet agent called Winter Soldier. So far, the movie has grossed over $201 million on the silver screen. I'm Tracy Hart with this week's top 5 movies, only on KHZTV.com.
See the trailers for these movies now showing on your all-hit hotspot, KHZTV.com.